This is the Iron Trader. It's Thursday, the 23rd. We're going to take a look at three charts here. First is going to be the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, or ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, first of all, here we have the chart of the Dow. There's your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, yesterday, if you look at this big red candle right here, what happened was we had a pretty good rally. Everybody was expecting a quarter point on the raise. It's just that when he had a speech at 2:30, he pretty much confirmed that there isn't going to be any more cuts this year, and they're going to be higher for longer. Okay, and that's what really took the market right on down. Now, just prepare yourself. At the next meeting, they're going to raise another quarter point. After that, they're going to raise another quarter point, and then they'll probably pause. Now, always remember, the Fed is always late to the party, and they always stay too late at the party. But key thing is never fight the Fed. So if you know this, we want to trade around of exactly what they're doing and what is going on. Now, remember, when they raise rates or they cut rates, it's not instant. It's over. It takes maybe 6, 8, even a year to get the reaction of those rates. Okay, so a quarter point here, and then I figured you're going to have at least another half point at the next two meetings. So another quarter and a quarter. So just factor that into your trading. So let's look at the Dow here. Now, the Dow had a really nice run up, but when it came down, closed right below this 21, right below this 8 SMA here on the weekly chart. Now, what it has to do is if it wants to gain traction, you have to get right back up here, back again on this 200-day. It has to close back above that. If not, you're going to go lower. It has to at least hold this 8 SMA right here. Now, if it does sell off, this is the retest right there at 31,429.82. But then the next would be this 200 SMA here. That's on a weekly chart. And then always look to the 50-day on the monthly chart. That's if it sells. Now, if it goes up, you want to watch all these key levels, especially like this 50-day on the weekly chart, this 200-day. If you can reclaim that, then you got a chance to go right back up here again to back up to this 50 SMA at 33,301.05. All right, here we have the S&P, okay, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Same thing yesterday. It got right above that 50 SMA and just could not hold it and just sold right off. Now, the key support here is you're going to look and you want to watch this 200 SMA on the daily. That is right now, that's at 39.34.28. If that is a loss, then you want to go right here on this next 200 SMA here on the weekly at 37.36.37, and then we have the 50-day here at 36.68.31. Those would be your key support levels. Now, if it can hold this 200 SMA and close back above like the 100 and the 21, then you got a shot to going right back up here to this 50-day at 4,013.50. Now, the futures here are rallying, so this is really a great trader's market, but let's just see if it actually holds today. All right, next we have the NASDAQ, your daily, weekly, and your monthly chart. This chart here is always very bullish. I pointed this out here last week because the 50-day crossed above that 200-day, the 8-day crossed above the 21-day. That's always a very, very positive sign. But if you look yesterday, it put in a big topping tail here and then sold right down. So if it does sell down, watch this 8 SMA here at 1241.18.34, and then your 21, and then your 50-day if it sells down. And also this 8 SMA right here and down to the 50-day. Now, if you look at this candle right here, okay, if you look at that, that's 12,880.98. Yesterday, it went a little bit above, but it just couldn't hold it and pulled right on back. This is trading with the overall market because the Dow sold off, the S&P. the whole thing would just came down all one shot. But this is still a very bullish chart. And as long as it holds these key supports, you look at this 200 SMA here on the weekly, and as long as it holds this 50-day SMA on the monthly, you're looking pretty good here as far as the overall. Now, it really needs to close back above this one right here, this level right here at 12,880.98. Then you got a shot to go back up to yesterday's high at 12,943.62. So just trade this range. Don't get too excited because remember, it has to close above that candle. Once that does, then you got a good shot at going way higher to all these different levels that are on a weekly chart. Thanks for watching.